Hi, I'm Danya and I'm the Academic Manager at OKTOPI. I'm going to show you how to link up your payment settings using our platform. If you would like to set a class price, you would need to add your payment setting. You can do this by clicking on the profile icon on the left side of the page on the vertical column. When you do so, select the option Payment Settings to arrive to the necessary page. We work with two systems, Tap and Stripe. Tap are for accounts that are in the Middle East, whereas Stripe is if you have an international bank account. Now, to set up a Tap payment, all you need to do is look at the set of instructions. After reading them, fill in the necessary information, especially your IBAN number. If you are an individual, under Type, select Individual. If you are a business, then you would select Corporate and your business license would be needed. For a Stripe payment, all you need to do is read the instructions and add the Stripe payment. It will redirect you to the Stripe official website where you could set up your account there. This will allow you to receive the payments made by your students when they join your class.